How to enable dark mode in Exness app. First of all, open the app on your device. From your dashboard, tap on the profile button in the bottom right corner of the screen. In the top right, you will see the settings button and tap on it. In the settings menu, you will see the appearance option. Tap on it to view the available themes. Select always dark to enable it. The app will instantly switch from light to dark, providing a more comfortable viewing experience, especially in low light conditions. Dark mode not only reduces eye strain, but also helps save battery life on devices with OLED screens. You can always switch back to light mode anytime by following the same steps. Now you know how to enable dark mode in the Exness app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.